Dense mirroring for a single axis is done, but it looks like shit and I fucking hate it, so we're gonna change it, but let's go over the code as it currently is. Okay, first of all, we have some projection points. So in this single axis mirror dense section of our bilateral mirroring function we've been working on, we've added projection point 1 and projection point 2 in no particular order. And then down here in our square mirror top bottom, we have finished this section. So we want to get the original X location and the mirrored X location here. And then we also want to project from that location by the jump amount in the current direction, either up or down, right? So here's the projection, up or down, and here's the original point, and here's the previous point. Or not the, sorry, not the previous point, the mirrored point. And it's mirrored around the y-axis. And we're going to signal that we need to load these plot points into our paired arrays. Okay, down here, same exact idea. Square mirror left or right. So the point gets mirrored around the x-axis and we project to the left or right. So mirroring around the x-axis means that we need to change the y. So here's the original y, here's the mirrored y, and then we're going to project to the left or right by the jump distance in the direction specified. So this line and this line are identical because they're the two projection points. And also we need to signal that we're going to load the plot point. Then down here we're going to load the plot point. So get the next load index and increase the length of our paired arrays and load the point and the uint32 that we want to draw. Do it one more time, get the next index, increase the length of our paired arrays, load the next plot point, and load the tile value we want to set. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. You are here. Like, subscribe, send money.